Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. Healthy breakfast ideas. Number 1. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer plain Greek yogurt, high in protein, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of granola or nuts. Drizzle with a tiny bit of honey or maple syrup if desired. Number 2. Overnight oats, the ultimate make-ahead breakfast. Mix rolled oats with milk, dairy or plant-based, chia seeds, and a touch of sweetener in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top with fruit, nuts, or nut butter. Basic ratio, half a cup oats plus half a cup milk plus 1 tablespoon chia seeds plus flavorings. Number 3. Avocado toast, mash 1/2 an avocado on whole grain toast. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Top with a fried or poached egg for extra protein, or with cherry tomatoes and microgreens. Number 4. Smoothie, blend together a handful of spinach, you won't taste it. 1/2 banana, frozen for creaminess, half a cup frozen berries, a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt, and your choice of milk. Number 5. Nut butter and banana toast. Spread natural peanut butter or almond butter on whole wheat toast and top with banana slices. A classic for a reason, it's filling and delicious. Make ahead and prep friendly. Spend a little time on the weekend for easy mornings all week. Number 1. Egg muffins/cups, whisk eggs with diced veggies, spinach, bell peppers, onions, a little cheese, and maybe some turkey sausage or ham. Pour into a muffin tin and bake. They keep in the fridge for days and can be reheated. Number 2. Breakfast burrito freezer pack, scramble eggs with black beans, salsa, and peppers. Spoon onto whole wheat tortillas, roll up, and wrap individually. Freeze. Reheat in the microwave or oven for an instant hot breakfast. Number 3. Baked oatmeal, make a pan of baked oatmeal on Sunday. Cut it into squares and reheat throughout the week. It's like having cake for breakfast, but it's good for you. You can add apples and cinnamon, berries, or bananas and nuts. Number 4. Chia seed pudding, similar to overnight oats. Mix chia seeds with milk and a sweetener, let it sit overnight. It forms a pudding-like texture. Top with fresh fruit and coconut flakes. Tips for a healthy breakfast. Prioritize protein, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nut butters, and protein powder help you feel full longer. Choose complex carbs, opt for whole grains, oats, whole wheat bread, and fruits instead of refined carbs, white bread, sugary cereals. Add healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide sustained energy.